Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with these 5 guys. These are 5 budget knives that I really like a lot. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. You can like the video, you can check out Fablades.com and also, at Fablades on Instagram, and let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I'm showing to you. So here I have 5 budget knives, like under, I don't know, 50 bucks. Roughly, that's the ballpark. So you see, like, these are budget knives, but they have something fantastic in common because they are fantastic knives. They are really, really cool indeed for some reasons. Like, for example, this is the CVV Brazen. This is a liner lock G10. It's like a flipper, it's a tanto, it's blacked out, it's murdery, but also, like, you have like some thumb studs over here. You can even do it like, not like that, but like that, like Spidey flick, and boom, the action is just very cool. Like, this guy flies out, like, look at this, crazy action, super lightweight, and very, very nice design. I like the shape. The sound is also snappy and good. It feels really, really cool in the hand, guys. This, you can't really go wrong with this guy. I mean, it's a budget knife. Steel is not like high-end. You're not gonna have any bragging rights with this fella, but you're gonna be a happy camper. Your wallet is gonna be super happy, and you're also gonna be happy because this is a pretty solid one. Next one, Ruiki knife. This is the P801 SB, like the stonewash black. Again, another pretty cool frame lock. This is like steel, so it's a little bit on the heavy, but kinda heavy. It's not that heavy. There's no internal skeletonization, no stainless steel lock insert, no M390 steel, no roller bearing, but you got a thumb stud as well. You got a flipper tab. You got a pretty cool design. I mean, this is very, very interesting for the price. Couple standoff, deep carry pocket clip. Guys, the action also is interesting. Not the best, but still snappy. Runs on bearings, guys. This is 14 C28N steel. And it's a very, very nice budget knife. Here, probably my favorite, I have to say, in this pack over here, because the action on the Kubi knives carve is just spectacular. I tuned it like to this point where you can just do stuff like that, and you got a nice tanto blade, blacked out, D2 steel, nice jimping. It's a liner lock, deep carry pocket clip. It is a truly gorgeous action running on bearings, skeletonized flipper tab with some jimping going on. Beautiful action, and G10 scales as well. Next up, you got the QSP Penguin. Look at this. It's a very nice design. Very simple construction. Couple standoffs, couple screws, deep carry pocket clip, then in micarta scales. It is a liner lock. This guy has no flipper tab, but oh boy, this guy opens nicely and closes in a very smooth way. This is running on washers, guys. So, and the action is simply smooth, really cool. D2 steel, nice grind on the blade, pretty slicely, finger sharpening choil. Guys, this is a pretty cool liner lock and super wallet friendly. Next up, look at this, CJRB Feldspar, another guy with only thumb stud. There's no flipper tab in this fella. Over here you got D2 steel, 3D scales, like made out of G10. You got a deep carry pocket clip, which is reversible, lanyard hole option also on this guy. Man, guys, you even have like pivot collars on this one. it's a liner lock. The action is gorgeous on this budget knife, very smooth, gliding smooth. It runs on bearings, and it is a very, very nice one. So I mean, all of these, they're not like a custom knife, nothing flashy, nothing fancy, but budget friendly, and action is good, the look is good, the sound is good, and they have all nice features. They're not gonna break the bank, and you're gonna be a nice you're gonna have a nice knife for sure as a user. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.